Welcome to Informit Explore. Explore provides access to millions of articles focused on the critical issues affecting Australia today. Let's dive into Explore and discover how to find what you need. Explore is a curated search experience that displays Informit's vast catalogue in topical subject and issue categories. On the homepage, you can see the latest subjects and issues covered on Explore, alongside trending selections from our featured articles. On Explore, you can discover over 100 topical areas accessible from the homepage or via the subject menu, which is available at all times. Subject pages feature curated selections mapped to that subject area, along with access to narrower issue pages that dig deeper into the nuances of a particular topic, like fake news. Issue pages are ready-made teaching and learning tools that help combat misinformation and simplify searching. Here, you can find a balanced overview written by an Australian teacher and more niche outlooks provided by scholars and publishers in our Expert Perspectives video series. These pages are citable and shareable via our inbuilt citation and share tools. Scroll down to discover classroom-ready comprehension and discussion questions, alongside curriculum links aligned with version 9 of the Australian curriculum. For those learners who want more, our featured articles and videos are a great starting point. These items are updated regularly and feature a diverse range of content, from scholarly papers, opinion pieces, to magazine articles and much more. They have all been graded to different reading levels, from beginner, intermediate to advanced, which makes it easy to find age-appropriate content. To access an article, click on the article's name and you'll be taken directly to the article's page. Here you can access the article by clicking View PDF, which opens up our e-reader. On the e-reader, you can resize content, download the article, and you can search within that article to quickly find the information you're looking for. Back on the issue page, you can access a growing curated archive of content via the Article tab. In addition to curating our content, we've also created pre-formatted search queries. These searches are accessible on all issue pages and provide tailored search results with just one click. From here, you can refine your search using the filters on the sidebar, or you can create your own search by typing directly into the search bar. Alternatively, you can use the advanced search, which is available at all times at the top of the screen. For a bird's eye perspective, you can visit our directory, which provides access to all subjects, issues, and publications covered on Explore. Explore provides access to a wide range of support articles and videos on our knowledge base. Accessible at all times on the top right-hand sidebar, simply click Help and Informit Explore to find answers to the most commonly asked questions. Thanks for watching. We hope you've learned something new and you're ready to start exploring.